If you're running an e-commerce store, security is a top priority. So is FastComet secure enough to protect your online business? Let's find out. FastComet takes security seriously and offers a range of features designed to keep your site and customer data safe. First, all plans include a free SSL certificate, which encrypts data between your site and your visitors, essential for e-commerce transactions. They also provide daily malware scans and automatic backups. So if anything goes wrong, you can quickly restore your site without losing important information. Fast comment servers use firewalls, malware protection, and proactive monitoring to catch threats before they become a problem. Another plus is their support for Cloudflare CDN with DDoS protection. This helps defend your site against attacks that try to overload your server and cause downtime. For e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce, FastCommerce optimized hosting ensures your store runs smoothly and securely. Plus, their team is available 24/7 to help with any security concerns or technical issues. Overall, FastComet offers a secure environment that's well suited for small to medium e-commerce businesses. If security is a priority for you, FastComet is definitely a solid choice. Check the description for more security features and current plans.